In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to comment images on YouTube, and it's really easy to do. First thing you're going to do is you want to go over to your photos, and let's just say I want to comment this photo right here. Now, if you want to comment this photo, all you're going to want to do is you click on the share icon in the bottom left-hand corner. This works on iPhone and Android. And you want to scroll down and actually click on the copy iCloud link. Now, it's going to be a different option. It's going to be like copy photo link on Android, but we're going to copy iCloud link here. And once you click on that, it will basically copy the photo. And when we go over to the YouTube app like so, just type in YouTube, you can actually see I've clicked on this video right here that I'm currently watching. And if you want to comment photo, all you're going to want to do is you just want to click on add comment, paste it, and click on send. And as you can see, if we click on the link, it's going to be like, are you want to leave YouTube? And we're going to click yes. You can actually see that this photo has now been commented on the YouTube comment section. And you can do this on any video.